I built this automated warm lead discovery engine for one of my potential client, and it was more like an MVP for him. So this workflow is built for to monitor Facebook groups for posts that are, matching our ideal customer profile. So we save all the, warm leads in the Google Sheet, and the leads will get delivered to the Slack too. So let me just show you the demo first, and after that, I will explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. Just test the system live. So I'm just click on execute workflow right here, and we don't have any active leads currently. So let's just wait for it. And currently, we are just grabbing the leads from our target group. And once the AI agent completes the ranking and the leads got saved in our Google Sheet, it will get delivered to this particular Slack channel. So yeah, currently the AI agent started ranking the leads on comparing the leads with our, ideal customer profile. So yeah, and let us wait for some time. Okay, the AI agent completed, you know, ranking the leads, and the leads got saved, getting saved in the Google Sheet. And just have a look, all the leads got saved, and one, two, three, four leads got shortlisted, and yeah, and those four leads are also, sent to the Slack. So yeah, just have a look right here. All the four leads, one and two and three and four. All the four shortlisted leads and engagement opportunities that are all automatically delivered to the Slack channel too. So just to engage with those particular engagement opportunities, all we just have to click on view post. It will take directly to that particular lead. So yeah, we can simply engage with this particular person or the particular post. So yeah, this is how the system work in live. I mean in the production. So let me explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. So firstly, the workflow will get automatically run for every single day, and we grab the post from our target groups from this particular node, and after that we will be, grabbing the current leads that are already saved in the Google Sheet. And after that, the code node will be used to check whether, I mean, to pass only the unique leads which are not already saved in the Google Sheet, because whatever the leads that are saved in the Google Sheet, they are already ranked with the AI agent, right? So for that reason, we will be only passing the unique post IDs, and after that, we will be looping the things just to, be consistent and don't overthrow the API request per second. And after that, the here comes the AI agent. It will automatically compares the ICP, the post with our ideal customer profile. So it will only say, I mean, it will only grab the ICP and return yes or no. That's it. Nothing serious and nothing so, complex thing here. So after that, we will be wait for some time to give a little space between batches. So after the loop was done, we will be save the all the leads in the Google Sheet, and after that we will check whether, there is a possible lead in the whole batches or not. And luckily, right here we have four, shortlisted items which are possible warm leads. So we will be delivering the whole lead, those selected warm leads to the Slack, and from there your sales team will get simply, grab the whole thing. So yeah, this is how the data flow was actually behind the workflow. So that's it for today.